Hi there, this is Vincent Yu here with another video introducing DomLink. So DomLink is a tool that will allow you to horizontally discover domains for a target. So this could be domains that are owned by the target organization or even subsidiaries of the target organization. I'm making a video about this because a couple of people in the community have actually tried the tool and they said that it doesn't work or it's not as effective as they want it to be. So I'm gonna run DomLink right now. So what you actually have to do is there's a domlink.config.example. So if you copy and paste that and remove the .example and then stick in your WOXI API key, then that allows you to run the tool directly without specifying this -a parameter like you can do. So if you do python domlink.py-a, you can specify the API key that you can get from www.woxi.com. Else, you can just run the tool. So I'm going to use -c and -e because I want to enumerate the. I just realized I need to fix the spelling. Someone's spoke recursively wrong for some reason. But anyways, I'm gonna recursively search for the companies and emails. I don't usually use the -d flag because researching recursively through all domains will take a long time. So I'm just going to use -c-e for companies and emails. I'm going to pick a bug bounty that I'd like to use. So here I'm going to use ddchoosing.com. Just put an output file and then ddchoosing.com for the domain that I'm going to search for to use as the first pivot point. So it's going to run for a second and then prompt me for a series of names to check through. Do you want to check DD Choosing Technology Co. Limited? So I know the company name of this organization, so I'm going to press yes because it's one that I know is in scope. DDIP at ddchoosing.com. Yes, I'm going to put yes because I know that they own this domain. No, because question marks. Question marks are usually due to Unicode maybe, but I haven't gotten around to fixing this issue yet. DD Xiaoju Technology Co. Limited. I think that they own this domain, so I'm going to press yes. I mean this company. No once again, no once again. I'm going to go through all of these really quickly. So every so often you'll come across a email that's not registered with your target company's domain. So here I've got some QQID at qq.com. So this can be considered a vulnerability in the fact that the domain's registered and allocated to a email address that isn't belonging to the company. So this could usually be a systems administrator's private email address per se. And if they've quit the organization, at any point in time, they could probably get the domain back and do something malicious with the domain. So that's just something to be wary of. It's probably bug bounty worthy, but it's something that you have to decide for yourself if you're going to report something like that. I'm going to put no because I don't trust it to find more domains. I'm going to put yes because I know that DD Taxi owns this domain. Same here. I'm going to continue. So I've got privacy protected emails, so nope. So yeah, now that I've finished, I've actually got a lot more domains than I previously had with just the one domain. So we've got the company names that we've said yes to. We've got the email addresses that we've said yes to. We've got a whole bunch of domains now. So for example, I would have never known that they have a dduber.academy registered to them. I wouldn't have known that there was a wallettransship.com registered to them. So this allows you to expand your attack surface significantly. You can perform your regular subdomain enumeration here. You can even so say if you're on a red team engagement. Originally, I might have only targeted this domain, the main company, What if they've purchased a subsidiary and they've bridged networks, or there's an objective that I need to meet, but I don't necessarily have to go for the main target organization? Then this is another choice. I can target the other companies, or I might have been able to find out names of other companies that I might not have come across by Googling as such. So that's just something to be aware of when performing a adversary simulation or red team engagement. You don't necessarily always have to attack the main entity. You can attack subsidiaries. Subsidiaries can have different security postures, and it might be easier to, or just as easy to obtain an objective without attacking the tougher opponent. So thanks again for watching this video, and I hope to bring more to you soon.